Hi, welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a fixed length training campaign within the Phin platform. And so first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and navigate and open up the left-hand nav menu and then go ahead and select training. And then you're going to go ahead and select campaigns under that, which will take you to the training campaign dashboard. And so you'll go ahead and launch a new training campaign at the top and then enter campaign information. So for this, I'll just go ahead and use test. And then at the bottom, you'll go ahead and see there are a few options. You'll go ahead and select fixed for this example. You can change the audience. By default, it's a full company campaign. You can change it to different departments or supervisors. But when you're ready, you can go ahead and select next. And then you go ahead and select your curriculum from here. Because this is fixed, you have the option to select a pre-built curriculum, so a collection of some of our courses. You can also select courses manually as well. If you see at the top there, there's the option for manual. And so this is literally all of our courses that we have, and you can go through them, preview them if you like, select courses individually. And these are the courses that are going to be included in the campaign for this example. And then once you're done with that, you can go to the scheduling feature and choose when these modules are sent out based on the cadence. You can adjust those blue words to fit the cadence that you're wanting to send it out. And you can see based on your cadence the first send date and when the campaign will fire batches on and those dates. And then you can adjust the order of those courses when they're sent out as well. And then whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and like I mentioned, you can drag to reorder them and then select launch. And that is the campaign that you just created that you can see, that test campaign, that fixed length campaign. If you want to see a summary of the details, go ahead and select the view icon. And this will give you a summary of the campaign schedule, the audience, any courses that have already launched, or any future courses as well. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching.